Good morning, Disney. We're getting ready to go to the park before our Mickey Travels event. So I thought I would show you what I put in my theme park bag. Now this kind of varies trip to trip. It's just me this trip, and it's not August, so it's not insanely hot, but I still, it's pretty much the same, except maybe a few extra snacks when I have the kid and the husband. So I got this when I did the cruise last December. When you're a Castaway member, they give you a little gift. It changes every year, but this is like perfect for the parks. I'm so excited. So I have my fuel rod, which I think currently they're $30. You can buy them anywhere around Disney, and what I love about them is they're interchangeable. So once my phone dies out, I can recharge it and then get a new one. And then I can take that home, recharge it at home, so when I'm out at games and such, I can continue to use it. I have this collapsible water bottle. My daughter bought that for me for my birthday. She picked it out. I love it. So check it out. When I go downstairs to refill it, I'll put a bunch of water in it. When I finish the water, it will fit super nice back in my bag. So it won't take up as much room. I have 2 water bottles. This one keeps water a little cooler, and just because you're in Florida, you need water. I also tend to pack an umbrella because, once again, Florida, you never know. I think we'll be good with the rain today, but I don't know. Sunglasses. I have my wallet. Like, you don't technically need it because if you charge everything to your Magic Band, but I do like carrying some cash. And I am a DVC member and an annual pass holder, and both of those offer discounts, so you have to carry your card around to get those discounts, so that is a must. And then when I stop at Starbucks at some point today and get my iced coffee, I have this cute little coffee cozy thing. I think I got it from Once Upon Apparel. I'll link that below. I'll figure it out and link it below. I got it a while ago. I absolutely love it. So then you don't get your hands all yucky. And then here's my other random park stuff. Lip gloss, my Burt's Bees stuff. And then I just got this too. My friend bought this for me for my birthday. This is great nude lip gloss as well. You see moon pudding. Hand sanitizer because, you know, everyone in the world is around. You want to make sure you stay clean. A little leave in case you get a headache, or I get a headache. And then my little thing is sunscreen because Florida. So that is how I pack my bag. When I have the kid and the husband with me, maybe I pack an extra water bottle for them. They carry a bag, snacks too. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in Disney. Make sure you like and subscribe.